Today I'm going to show you how I'm collecting and displaying data from my Math Strategies class. I created a sheet in Google Sheets and I entered in the dates and the scores, and these are Ames Web probes. Then I decided that I wanted to give my students a visual so that they could see how they were doing on their scores, not just have numbers. It's pretty straightforward. You just highlight your scores and insert a chart. The chart editor will come up and you just pick the type of chart you want. You could have the data points like that. You could have a line graph, however you want it to look. For the example today, I'll pick just the data points. I can hit insert. I do print these off for the students, so I want to make sure that I move the chart over so that they can see their scores, the dates, and then also the chart. I have their name up at the top. You'll notice down at the bottom I have tabs for each of the students. What I did was I created the first sheet, kind of the template. I did enter in a few scores to begin with, created the chart, and then I copied the sheet. To copy the sheet, all you do is click down here and hit duplicate, and then you'll see right next to it is a copy of A. So you can do that as many times as you need for as many students as you have. You can also customize your chart if you don't like the way it looks. One thing that I added to my students' charts was a trend line, so they could see that in fact if their scores looked like this, they were kind of all over the place. Whether their average was going up. So I clicked on this arrow and hit Advanced Edit. I changed the name of the chart so they knew it was their weekly test. And then I scrolled down to the bottom, and for trend line I want a linear trend line, and that just shows for this student that they are in fact trending up, which is what I want. Click Update, and that's it.